Alright, washing machine, utility sink, both drain down into that. Some pump action, or I don't know, maybe technically call it an ejector pump. Whatever. That's not the point. Little check valve there. I'm pretty sure is not working. Came down here and the floor was wet and that thing was overflowing. And the pump was on, but looked like nothing was happening. It was just kind of like humming. So maybe something's caught in there, or I don't know. We'll see, eh? So I'm going to take that apart and we'll take it from there. Yep, there's your problem. Here, let me give you a shot of this. Oh, where am I? Okay, there I am. As you can kind of see there's that little black rubber doohickey is obviously not where it's supposed to be. Okay, so problem's pretty evident here. You know, it's basically just a one-way valve. There's a little rubber flapper on the bottom, and then there's a metal weight that's supposed to sit on top of it on this side, and they have become separated. So I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say this thing is no good anymore, because I really don't know how I'm gonna bond that metal thing back to the rubber again. So yeah. You know what we do have right there is another little check valve, which, as you can see, is not in use. This one on this set is for the sump pump from under the foundation, and that second pipe next to it that comes down and connects into nothing, not entirely sure what that's for, but yeah, I'm just gonna take the check valve off of that bad dog and put her onto there. Okay, so there's definitely water in this pipe right now. This pipe leads up outside and literally just comes out into nothing. It's just open. So I guess I gotta grab myself a bucket here and stick something up there, release the check valve, and drain all that who knows how old and who knows how stinky water out of there. Okay. Actually, the water's quite clear. Whatever. There we go. Okay, this check valve is in good condition. Nothing wrong with it, so yeah, let's just slip her on in. Bam, like that. Just tighten her up. Alright, I do believe that should do it. So, I guess what I'm going to do now is just to test it out, just run this utility sink here and, you know, let it fill on up and see if the pump clicks on. You know what helps the pump click on? If it's plugged in. Good thing it wasn't full yet, eh? Okay, pump just clicked on, and let's see if this valve does its job when it's done emptying. Because before you could clearly hear it all just draining back down into there. No leaks, that's a good sign. Yep, and there you go. Nice solid click, and it's closed. I give that repair a big thumbs up.